Today we have more work on the pie menu. So we have the preset pie menu. I mean, this is not a new thing, but here when you do Alt P, you'll be able to see the preset in the hovering node, right? But this is not a new feature. It's already introduced when with the first release of the pie menu system. But now we also have the proper formatting too. So it's just gonna show the thumbnail of the preset. I think in the past it's gonna show the thumbnail of the node or the icon of the node, not the preset. So now it will display properly. There are some bug fix here and there. There's some huge bug fix that I can't believe that no one ever reported it, which is in the curve system, the curve node, right? It basically will not work with the black pixel. Here in the past, it was just gonna display. I think it's gonna display. No. The black pixel will always be black pixel even when your curve is starting at like non-zero, right? I think in the past when your graph, even when you set your graph to like all white like this area is still gonna be black. Completely broken. I can't believe I never got a report on that. But yeah, now it is fixed. So that's a pretty major bug fix. There's some fix on the surface extrude as well. Do we have? I do. The surface extrude now got some improvement on the algorithm to make it more reliable, right? Especially on the side here when you have height map, it will now render out properly. I think in the past there will be some errors, like sometimes some of the side faces will not show up, but now it should be show up properly. And we have this project I did today, right, to showcase the surface extrude. Well, I mean, to be fair, it's the reason why I start fixing the node, right? Because I tried to use it and it's broken. Then we have another new node. We have the surf. Do we have it? Do I have it? I don't. I do. The Fibonacci scattering point. Fibonacci. We're just gonna scatter point in this Fibonacci patterns. Really specific, but also pretty cool, right? I use this with the point to SDF, which is also got some new improvement. It is now mappable, so you can give it like a surface to control the strength per pixel, right? Also, there's new oversampling property for the threshold node, which can be useful in the adaptive mean algorithm. For the simple algorithm, there's no need for that because it's only sample the correct pixel, but in the adaptive mean, it will also sample surrounding pixel as well, so you need to have this oversampling attribute. The region field also has a new option to output the index of the region as well in the blue channels. I think we can go here. You can see each of the region now will be marked with different blue channel. If you turn it off, I think it's off by default. It's just gonna be black, and it's just gonna output this classic red and green coordinate pixel, right? So that new option I added. The pixel or the expand function of the region field also is now become a number instead of a toggle, so that you can increase the number of expansion as big as you want. In the past, it's just a toggle between 0 and 1, right? Now you can expand it, so you don't need this anymore. Yeah. To fill in the gap if you have the gap option, if you have the filter option, right? This one are all the same. And then we have another new node. Where is it? This one for path to curve. So this one will convert path into an animation curve, right? So here I have the basic linear path, apply wave modifier, and I can convert it to curve, which I can use it in all the curve properties, right? I here use it to modulate the scale, use it to create some cool looking animation, right? The curve here will also animate the thing look kind of funny. So yeah, that's another new feature. Pretty cool. And that should be it for today.